Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A grand Victorian-style mansion with intricate architecture, featuring a steeply pitched roof and decorative gables. The house is painted in a rich reddish hue with contrasting white trim, surrounded by lush gardens bursting with vibrant flowers in shades of orange, pink, and yellow. A winding gravel path leads to the entrance, flanked by leafy greens and carefully manicured hedges. Soft, diffused natural light casts gentle shadows, highlighting the ornate details of the house's facade and the colorful blossoms. A charming Victorian house with blue wooden siding and intricate detailing, surrounded by a lush and vibrant garden. The scene captures a sunny day with soft, diffused light filtering through scattered clouds. The house features a steeply pitched roof, decorative gables, and a welcoming front porch adorned with colorful flower pots. A variety of flowers in full bloom dominate the garden, including pink peonies, orange marigolds, and purple asters, creating a lively and enchanting atmosphere. A winding stone path leads to the entrance, flanked by green foliage and flowering shrubs. A charming coastal cottage in a picturesque garden setting, showcasing a vibrant blue exterior with warm wooden accents on the doors and windows. The house features steeply pitched roofs and a welcoming entrance adorned with potted plants. A meticulously landscaped garden filled with various greenery, including lush ferns and ornamental plants, leads to a path of smooth stones and seashells. The foreground highlights vibrant orange marigolds and decorative pebbles, creating a serene atmosphere. Surrounding trees gently sway in the breeze under a dramatic overcast sky, adding depth and mood. A serene, inviting porch scene captures the essence of a tranquil summer day in a rural setting. The focal point is a rustic wooden swing bench, placed invitingly on a covered porch. Flanking the porch, a lush array of vibrant flowers in full bloom creates a colorful tapestry, featuring vivid orange and purple coneflowers, delicate pinks, and cheerful yellows. The soft morning light casts gentle shadows, enhancing the colors and textures of the flowers and the weathered wood of the porch. The house, painted in a soft blue with contrasting red trim, exudes a charming, homey vibe. Hanging plants add a touch of greenery above, while the tranquil backdrop of trees enhances the peaceful atmosphere, blending natural beauty with a cozy, welcoming home. A picturesque, enchanting cottage surrounded by lush greenery, showcasing a blend of rustic and whimsical architecture. The exterior features intricate woodwork with green walls partially covered in vibrant ivy and flowering plants, complemented by a slate roof. Warm orange windows and accents provide a striking contrast against the greenery. The inviting front door is intricately designed, framed by colorful blooms in shades of orange and yellow, creating a cheerful atmosphere. A winding stone pathway leads to the entrance, flanked by a variety of garden plants and flowers, enhancing the charming, fairy tale aesthetic. A modern, minimalist home with sleek wooden exteriors and expansive glass windows, illuminated warmly from within. The scene is set during twilight, reflecting a gentle blend of natural and artificial lighting. The architecture features an open concept with a spacious kitchen visible through the glass wall, and a cozy living area adorned with potted plants. The front yard bursts with vibrant flowers in shades of orange and yellow, contrasting beautifully with the muted greens of vegetable plants and the textured gravel pathways. Lush trees and a soft grassy area surround the house, enhancing the tranquil atmosphere. A stunning, hyper-realistic depiction of an opulent mansion at twilight, showcasing an intricate architectural design influenced by classical styles. The grand facade is adorned with lush green ivy climbing the terracotta-colored walls, highlighting ornate stonework and large arched windows that glow warmly with ambient light. In the foreground, a symmetrical layout of neatly manicured hedges and perfectly trimmed topiaries leads up to the prominent staircase, accentuated by elegant stone balustrades. A decorative fountain sits gracefully on one side, reflecting the rich hues of the sunset, which paints the sky in soft oranges, pinks, and purples. Modern architectural masterpiece featuring a spacious, multi-level home with striking orange and black accents, surrounded by lush tropical landscaping. The scene captures the essence of contemporary design with large glass windows reflecting sunlight, creating a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. The foreground showcases an inviting pathway made of sleek stone slabs, leading to beautifully manicured grass and vibrant tropical plants. Tall palm trees frame the structure, adding to the serene ambience. A grand, ivy-covered mansion set in a lush garden, capturing an impressionist aesthetic with soft focus and gentle light. The scene is imbued with a moody atmosphere, showcasing a light drizzle that enhances the colors of the landscape. The mansion features intricate stonework, large windows adorned with floral drapes, and a prominent wooden door framed by vibrant blooming roses in hues of pink and red. Surrounding the house, manicured hedges create a structured pathway leading to the entrance, and the foliage is rich with deep greens and autumnal golds, adding warmth to the cool, overcast sky. A modern lakeside home featuring a blend of contemporary architecture and natural surroundings. The scene captures the house with large glass windows, dark wooden siding, and a mix of stone elements, reflecting a harmonious relationship with the lush landscape. The foreground showcases a wooden deck extending into the water, bordered by vibrant green grass and ornamental plants, including clusters of soft, rounded shrubs and striking pops of orange from flowering plants. The Tranquil lake is adorned with water lilies and surrounded by trees, casting playful shadows. Modern two-story house with a blend of dark wood and sleek black finishes, surrounded by lush tropical gardens and palm trees. The architecture features large glass windows and sliding doors, allowing natural light to flood the open living spaces. The exterior showcases a combination of horizontal and vertical lines, emphasizing its contemporary design. In front, a manicured lawn leads to a serene pond, with stepping stones leading to a cozy outdoor seating area. modern sustainable house with large glass panels, featuring a warm wooden exterior and a green roof, surrounded by a lush garden with vibrant flowers and leafy vegetables. Cozy outdoor seating area with a round table and chairs, illuminated by soft ambient lighting. Scenic landscape with smooth pebbles and natural wood accents.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.